Hey friends, today we're going to talk about farm animals, and I thought we could play a little game. I'm just going to give you some clues and then you guess what kind of animals it is. First animal. These animals come in different colors. Majority of them that we see on a farm are black and white. It also gives us milk. This animal has 4 stomachs and can smell things up to 5 miles away. It says, can you guess what it is? One more clue, it says moo. It's a cow. Did you know a cow stands up and lies down about 14 times a day? So it gets up and it lays down, it gets up and it lays down. And when a cow eats, it doesn't bite the grass. It curls its tongue around the grass and it pulls it. Cow. Now this animal is a little bit smaller than a cow. They have hooves and they have 3 different names for the mom, the dad, and the baby. The mother is called a nanny. The father is called a billy, and a baby is called a kid. Ready? Do you know what it is? It says meh. It's a goat. Goats. Now this is one of my favorite farm animals. They're smaller. Some are really big. They're pink. Some have black spots. And it says oink, oink. It's a pig. Pigs are very smart and very clean animals, but they like to cool down in the mud. A pig can run fast and swim very well. Pigs don't sweat. That's why they lie in the mud to cool off. And pigs can have lots of babies in their belly, about 13 babies sometimes. That's a lot of babies in a belly. Next is a small animal. It flies around sometimes, and it gives us eggs. Does anybody know what lays eggs? It's a chicken. Chickens cannot fly very far. They just do little struts. Chickens lay many different colored eggs. Some eggs are white, brown, green, pink, and blue. Look at that. A father chicken is called a rooster. A mother chicken is also called a hen. And the babies are called chicks. This is a chicken. Last animal that we have is a big animal. Has pretty hair from the top and on his tail. It also has hooves, but it makes the neigh sound, neigh, neigh. What is it? Do you know? Can you guess? A horse. A horse has hard feet called hooves. A mother horse is called a mare, and a father horse is called a stallion. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses have small stomachs and have to eat lots of times throughout the day. It's a horse. Now I have one more animal. Sometimes you can find it on a farm. Sometimes we can find it in our backyard or outside. It has long ears and it hops just like this. Can you guess what it is? Did you say a rabbit? Yeah. It says rabbits have very long back feet and a fluffy tail. They have long ears to help them hear very well. A rabbit's eyes are on the side of his head to help him see all around. Mommy rabbits have 3 to 7 babies in their belly at one time. That's a lot of babies. All right, friends, I hope you liked our farm animal guessing game. Let me know what else you want to work with. See you guys around. Bye.